Hello, friends. Welcome to Daily Dose. Let's grow together one step every day. Today, we are going to learn 5 easy English words that we can use in our daily life. The first word is believe. Believe means വിശ്വസിക്കുക. Sentence I believe in myself. The second word is improve. Improve means മെച്ചപ്പെടുത്തുക. Sentence I want to improve my English language. The third word is focus. Focus means ശ്രദ്ധ കൊടുക്കുക. I focus on my studies. The fourth word is practice. Practice means പരിശീലിക്കുക. Sentence practice makes us better. Last word is success. Success means വിജയം. Sentence success comes from hard work. Okay, friends, today we'll learn 5 simple English words and sentences. Practice these words daily and improve your English step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.